lower than the elephant. You can't jump alone. Hey, what's red? Meanwhile, red. Oh, I can't. I know I can't jump. I can't jump. I can feel that. For me. Let's go. Birds. I am back. Let's go. Okay, so what am I doing now? I don't know. Where is it that it Captain Red? I am neither. Seriously, you're a captain. Alright. Oh, come on. Tony. Yeah. Go back. Oh, I have my eye on this boat right here. I'm gonna go right in the face. See this? I have my eye on you. Oh my god. Should we be going? No, we don't have to be going. Oh my gosh, we don't have to be going. Yeah, we have to be going. No. Okay, what will we do? I don't know. Tell a bear. I would have to say red. Oh my god. You don't think about it. I've got to think of something to get my gas on my gas. What did you say? I'm a bird, I'm a bird, I'm a bird. Birds. Birds. Do you know our names? I'm going to introduce you. Here's red. Here's yellow. Here's blue. Here's Tony. Hello. Koala bear. That's all the birds you need to know about. Check out our new top. It's right here. Our new top car. We're not driving. We don't do somebody else. Birds. Birds. With a bird, with a bird, with a what color does it like your neck? Oh, what am I do now? Yeah, don't know what we're gonna do. Speed up! No! I don't know those. What is it? I have my eye on you. I have mine. I have mine eye. Got my eyes on you. Got my eyes on you. Got my eyes on you. I got my eyes on you. I got my eye on you. I got my eye on you. So, oh, to be continued.